Hi. Welcome back. In this video, I will show how to edit sky manipulation using PicsArt mobile application. After selecting a photo, go to Tools and adjust the lights. For brightness -25, contrast +20, saturation +35, highlight -30, shadow +35, and at last temperature -30. Add a sky image and crop it and fit to the background photo's sky. When finished, click the eraser icon. Hardness to 100. Erase it in the subject section process. It's a long process, it takes time. Okay, it's done. Now add a reflection effect, because here on the photo, reflection of sky is there. So go to Add Photos, add the same image used before, and don't forget to flip it vertically. Place it on the water surface, go to Tools, and adjust only the brightness to -30. And go to Effects, choose the blur effect, and change the settings to blur to 5, fade to 0. Then click the replace icon above, then select motion blur, change fade to 0, distance to 80, opacity around 75. Go to erase icon, hardness to 100. Okay, then you just erase foreground section.
Yeah.
Erase it slowly. It takes more time. Okay, done.